Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? Today we're gonna take a quick look at the software of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and the quick setting as well. So, as you can see here, this is the face or watch face comes with the box. So, all you can see here is the time, battery, Bluetooth sign, we have the date, and we have the steps as you can see. Now, if you scroll downward, you'll get more, which is the setting menu that shows you do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, excuse me, timer, find device, silent, band display, and setting. If you go to the setting, you have brightness. You can increase the brightness and lower the brightness. Uh, Depends on the situation that you're on. You can have a lock screen. So, and you can have a reboot. You can reboot your phone from here. Factory reset, some regulatory documents, and about the device. So look at the device. This is the firmware version of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4, Bluetooth address. That's about it. So if you go back, look at band device. Here is like you can change your watch faces, choose what thing that's actually suitable for you. For now, they have only these three options. I believe you can also customize it later on using the Mi or the Xiaomi Mi software in your Android and iOS devices. Um, so what's next? Let's go back. So when you scroll and one more time up, there's a notification that shows your WhatsApp and any notification in your phone. And once you sync it with your phone and have it enabled in Bluetooth, you will get your notifications straight away on your watch. Here's the weather. So you can see the weather here is 45 degrees. It's too hot. It's too hot today. Um, so that's one thing also. So let's look at the workouts. And this is what you buy this smart tracker for. So let's take a look. So there's outdoor running. So routes won't be recorded if your phone is disconnected. So you have to connect your phone in order for you to record the routes. Oh, it started. Oh my god, let me just try to stop it. Okay. So to stop it, you have to press and hold on the home button over here. And you click back. So you have treadmill, you have cycling, walking, even walking. So that's a nice thing. Uh, what else we have? We have exercise. So this is how it's gonna look like when you do exercise using this smart tracker. So let's give you the timer, the calories burned, your heart rate, and the zone. So let's take a look at the timer up as well. So let's just turn it off. All right, back. And also you have swimming pool. So swimming, it's gonna show you the pool size. You have to put the yards. I mean, like the square meter of the pool. You have to put it from two different. So let's try for customize. Yeah. Let's say for example we took it for 25 yards. Bam. Shows you the time, the distance. So for example 25 yards back and forth. It's gonna show you what distance you did and the calorie. And let's go back. All right. Basically this is what you get from the exercise or the workout setting menu you have here. And you have the heart rate. So it says he is fastened and bent slightly above your wrist bone, about 1 centimeter, and don't move. So this is like you have to put it there. I'm gonna try to do it with my thumb over here. try my finger. Can it read my finger? Should, right? No, no, it's not actually fit right. So let me try my thumb. See if it does work. Anyways, I think you have to put it on your wrist. So let's take a look at the status. So you want to look at the status. You have the steps, distance, miles, calories, and idle alerts. So look at this. It said here, sitting for too long is harmful. Is harmful for your health. It will increase risk of various diseases such as diabetes and neck or back problem. So this is like an alert. This is like this is the idle alerts. So once you sit idle, give you alerts to you have to go walk, take a walk or move, so you can avoid such diseases that you just mentioned here. Let's go back. This is new watch faces. So that's about it, guys. This is about the quick setting of the smart tracker. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and we're gonna take a look at the full review on this with the Xiaomi software and tell you how to do syncing and how to actually manage notification with your smart phone. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.